Hello dear traders, you are watching the weekly Linkup on ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Ekaterina Stikhina. In our weekly program, we discuss the ongoing situation on Forex and try to forecast further moves of popular trading instruments. Technical analyst Peter Yakimovic gives us his expert advice. This week, traders have been hesitant about the euro-dollar pair. Earlier in this week, traders opened massive short positions on the euro. However, since Wednesday, the euro gained momentum and resumed the upward bias. Hi Peter, last Friday you recommended us to consider short positions on the euro-dollar pair. Have you changed your sentiment and outlook for this trading instrument?
Hello dear traders. I'm expecting lower price on the euro versus US dollar. The analysis basically from last week is still active, and there is still again a broken rising wedge, which is a very decent formation, especially when the duration of this formation is for many days basically, and this is very good indication that sellers took control over buyers and that we may expect lower price in this currency pair. So my advice: watch for selling opportunities with a downward target set at the price of 1.1075. This is a projection of this rising wedge formation. But anyway, the price breaks the 1.1075. The second take profit level is at the price of 1.0950. Again, my advice is watch for selling opportunities, and preferably watch for selling opportunities after some upward retracement. You can use the Fibonacci levels or any other method, or stochastic to try to sell after some retracement.
The pound sterling has found itself in this similar situation. Do you also keep the bear sentiment on the pound dollar pair?
I'm expecting lower price on the British pound versus US dollar as well, like the euro versus US dollar. This currency pair got a very strong, one of the strongest formations. It's a head and shoulders formation basically, and it successfully retested, and there is a double top on this retest, which is another good sign that sellers are in control. So my advice: absolutely watch for selling opportunities with the first target at the price of 1.2500. This is also a round number, so pay attention to this level 1.2500. Anyway, if the price breaks 1.2500, the next downward target is set at the price of 1.2375. So again, broken neckline of the head and shoulders formation, double top on the retest is, for me, clear sign that sellers are in control, so watch for selling opportunities.
Do you expect high demand for the yen to continue next week?
I'm expecting higher price on the USD versus Japanese yen, as like I informed you last week that you watch for a breakout of the falling wedge. That exactly happened, so we got a breakout of that pattern, and we confirmed we made a new high basically in the lower low and the higher high, and this is a good indication of the strength on this currency pair. So my advice is absolutely watch for buying opportunities. The first target is at the price of 112.10, but the final target basically is at the price of 114.25, which is the highest high based on the previous price action. So again, very good breakout on the very good price section of that wedge formation, and then the strength continued basically with a higher high and higher low as well. This is a good sign that strength is there, so watch for buying opportunities.
The US dollar is likely to strengthen across the board next week. Do you foresee the greenback's advance even against the Aussie dollar?
I'm expecting lower price on Australian dollar versus US dollar. The formation from the last week is still active, so there is a broadening wedge. It's like expanding wedge basically, and price respected the upper diagonal of that wedge, and this is why I alerted you to watch for selling opportunities, and this idea, it's working very good, and price is going lower. So downward targets are set still at the price of 0.7430, and if the price breaks that, let's say some final targets set at the price of 0.7335. Again, broadening wedge, successful a rejection from upper diagonal of that wedge, and this looks like the sellers are in control at the moment, and my advice to watch for selling opportunities on this currency pair.
Thank you, Peter, for your trading recommendations. See you next Friday. You have watched the weekly link up on ИнстаФорекс TV channel presented by me, Ekaterina Stikhina, and ИнстаФорекс technical analyst from Serbia, Petar Yakimovic. Trade at a profit with us. Don't miss our next edition.